Finding prime factorization using a factor tree. In finding a prime factorization, there's a lot of method that you can use. You can use a division, and now we are finding a prime factorization by using a factor tree. So the number 44 has multiple factors. 44, we can have 44 times 1. And also we can have 22 times 2. And we can have 11 times 4. So the factors of 44, we have 1, we have 2, we have 4, 11, 22, and the 44, the number itself. So now, let's move on to factor 3. So let's find the prime factorization of 120. So we have these steps to remember. Step 1, write the product of a number into prime and composite. Number 2 is a prime number. And then 60 is the composite. Prime and composite, which are 2 and 60. Step 2. Factor any remaining composite numbers repeating the step 1. Okay, so this is the composite numbers. So we're going to find the factor of this number, repeating the same step. So we were going to split the 60 and we have 2 and 30. And then the 30, we're going to split it. We have 2 and 15. Okay. And the 15, we have 3 and 5. So now, step number 3. When you only have all prime numbers remaining, you are finished factoring. So the remaining are all prime numbers. So we will going to stop the factoring method, right? And we are finished in factoring. So the factors of 120 are 2 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 5. Step 4. Write down the prime factorization as a multiplication sentence. So we have 120 equals 2 and 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so this is what we call multiplication sentence, or we can have like this: 2 with the exponent of 3, raise the power of 3 times 5. Okay, another example we have: find the prime factorization of 54. Okay, 54, we're going to split it into 6 and 9. And then the 6 into 2 and 3. And then the 9 into 3 and 3. So if we're going to multiply it, 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. And then 6 times 9 equals 54. And now, the prime factorization of 54 the prime factors are 2, 3, 3, and 3. And we're going to write it on multiplication form. We have 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, or we have this. And also, we have this kind of type of factor tree, okay? we have this kind of 3 factor 3. And also, okay, when you split a 54, we have 2 and 27. Okay, this is another type of using the factor 3. And 22, we're going to split it, and we have 3 and 9. And of course, the 9, we're going to split it, and we have 3 and 3. So the prime factors of 54 are 2, 3, 3, and 3. And we can write on this multiplication sentence. So that's all, and see you and goodbye.